Assist folks and Fairway folks. I wanted to show you a little interaction problem I'm having. You guys have maybe already logged it as a bug or something that needs to be fixed. But when I am on a Mac and I am using Google Chrome and I am trying to correct a data element curriculum title for summer 2015. So I've loaded the term and I know the course is MUSA, let's see, MUSA 121, and here it is, and I'm going to edit the details, and I'm going to add the title change, working fine. Save. And now what I need to do is go and publish. So I click on the Publish tab, and I'm going to find the term, Summer 2015, and it's pulled it up, and I'm going to populate it over and then submit the changes. Great. Yes, that's fine. But here's the trouble. When I want to go back to curriculum, I have no option to click curriculum until I change to one of the other sub areas. So I don't know if you guys caught that or not, but I'm going to go back to the Publish tab. And if I'm in Publish and I click curriculum to go back to curriculum, I only have reports and workflow. There is no option for curriculum. So you guys are so on it, I figure you've already got this logged. But in case you haven't, I thought I would do my good civic duty. Signing off from Modesto.